Tucked within the dense woods beside Guoxian Village, near Xianggang Reservoir at Luofu Mountain in Huizhou, China, the project replaces two outdated public restrooms. In response to the growing needs of bicyclists, the site has been reimagined as a woodland rest station offering a small café, restroom facilities, and space to recharge. The grove is defined by 7 translucent canopies that appear to float gently among the trees. Made of PTFE/Ferrari membrane stretched over steel frames, the canopies are suspended at varying heights and angles, forming a lightweight, artificial layer above the forest floor. They offer shelter while echoing the layered rhythms of the surrounding forest, creating a shifting experience of light, shade, and space. The cafe is constructed using the plug-in house system developed by People's Architecture Office and paired with prefabricated modular restroom units. Together, they form a compact, efficient infrastructure that can be rapidly assembled and delicately embedded in the environment. The station provides essential amenities for bicyclists: rest, refreshments, sanitation, and basic repairs, while maintaining a minimal footprint. Above the restrooms, artist Ziwei's installation Light Woven Forest responds to the canopy structure. Composed of woven materials that interact with shifting light, the piece transforms the space into an unexpectedly poetic and atmospheric zone, blurring the boundary between functional infrastructure and public art. A dual wastewater treatment system, comprising an underground purification tank and an open-air sedimentation pool, underscores the project's environmental intent, helping to protect the water quality of Xianggang Reservoir. This closed-loop ecological approach reflects a careful balance between human presence and natural systems. By replacing aging infrastructure with a sensitive and spatially rich design, floating Canopy Grove becomes more than a place to stop. It invites visitors, bicyclists and others alike, into a quiet dialogue between architecture and the forest.